Citing various related cases, the report highlights ongoing public and political debates surrounding LGBTQ plus issues, which have influenced broader discussions on family law and contributed to incidences of gender-based violence. It points out Parliament's refusal to accept the recent Supreme Court ruling on the recognition of foreign same-sex marriages. Report author Diane Hubert warns that this could lead to a harmful slowdown in the relationship between the legislature and the judiciary.
Since these cases were decided, Parliament has been very unhappy. Almost immediately after the Bashu case was decided, Jerry Kanjo, MD Jerry Kanjo, introduced two private members' bills. This is an interesting thing because never before in Namibia have private members' bills been passed by Parliament. These two bills were passed unanimously, and what they attempted to do was to overrule the Supreme Court. This is not an interpretation. One of them actually had a provision in it that said contradiction of the judicial of the Supreme Court. They were very, very upfront about it. So these bills were passed. Only one member of Parliament spoke against it. One SWAPO MP said he didn't agree with the bills, but they actually were passed without any protest at the end of the day. Now, neither one of those bills has been signed by the President. They're hanging in limbo. This is quite an unusual thing because if the President believes the bill is unconstitutional, the procedure in the Constitution is the President supposed to tell the AG, I think this bill is unconstitutional. The AG is supposed to refer it to the courts, and the courts are supposed to decide. But that hasn't happened either. So none of this is the proper procedure.
The report also highlights how Namibia's marriage bill has sparked significant debate, primarily over its exclusion of same-sex marriages. The bill formalizes the long-standing legal principle that civil marriages in the country are limited to unions between one man and one woman as per the common law. While this law is now explicitly stated in the bill, the report indicates its impact remains limited as any legal challenge based on constitutional rights could still override the statute.
We don't know what's going to happen on same-sex marriage, but that's what Parliament was particularly concerned about. So they have defined marriage.
The report stresses the need for the Namibian constitution to be the primary guide in addressing these complex matters.